Alright guys, so the fact that Sahara AI has already raised about $43 million from their top investors is not just the only amazing thing about this project. So right now, stick with me, let me blow your minds right now. So taking you right now to the X account or the Twitter account, you can see that these people right here are being backed by Binance Lab, Pantera Capital, Polychain, Secura, and Samsung Next. So any project that has these people as their backers is not a project to actually joke with, and they have already raised about $43 million. So the question that we have to answer right now is, as an airdrop hunter, how do you participate or how do you get a cut from the $43 million that has already been raised? So right now guys, I'm introducing to you guys Sahara AI airdrop. So right guys, we have already missed the season 1, but if you're watching the video right now, you are lucky enough to be joining the season 2 right now, because the reward is also going to be very massive for the people that are joining just on the season 2. So right now, the first question as well is, how trusted is this project? The first trust that we have gotten from it is that they are being backed by these top investors, but the second trust that we are going to be gaining for this project is when we check the people that are following them, that I'm following as well. You can see that these people right here are being followed by a lot of projects as well. You can see Chainbase, which I have talked about, their airdrop is also following this Sahara AI project. Looking down here, you can see SafePal crypto wallet. SafePal crypto wallet is just like Trust Wallet. They are following this project. This actually proves that this project is trustworthy and it's going to worth our time. So looking down again, you can see that CoinMarketCap is also following this project, just to mention but a few. So right now guys, how do we get started with this project? How do we actually join and get a cut from the $43 million? So right now, the first thing you need to do as well is simply go to your Mrs. browser. As always, if you don't know how to set up your Mrs. browser and how to add your wallet extensions and all that, check out the video description. I'll be pinning the video on the video description. Make sure to check it out to learn how you can be able to install Mrs. browser and also be able to install your metamask browser and the Rex. So right guys, before we start with the video, please, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, please look below the video you are watching right now. You are going to be seeing this subscription button. Make sure to click on it, and once you have clicked on it, click on the bell icon that's going to be appearing, and once you click on the bell icon, you are going to be seeing all. Okay, select all so that each time we post a new video, YouTube will send you a notification immediately. After that guys, you go ahead and give us a thumbs up like this, then you share the video to any social media platform, you put a very nice and interesting comment. Doing all this that I just mentioned right now automatically puts you in a position to earn free tone for just watching our video. So right now guys, let's now get started properly with the airdrop. When I come over here to my Mrs. browser, which I have set up already, you need to actually check out the video description to get the link that you are going to be using to participate on this airdrop guys. So what I need to do right now is simply go to the search section on this Mrs. browser. Then I will go ahead and of course paste the link that I have already copied right here on the search section. I will go ahead and of course search for it. So this is going to be taking you to the Sahara AI website, where you need to actually perform some certain tasks in order to position very well ahead of the airdrop that is coming very soon. So it is very simple, and you can see this is simply how their website actually looks like. So when you zoom out, you can see that we have this sign in button right here. Okay, so you can see this sign in button right here. Okay, sign in button right here. You go ahead and of course click on it, and once you just click on it, it's going to be asking you to connect your wallet. So you go ahead and of course select metamask. Okay, so once you select metamask, because I have already installed metamask extension on my browser, it's going to be popping up automatically, and right now I need to insert my password. Then I have to click on connect. Okay, right now I'm done inputting my password. I need to click on approve to add Sahara AI testnet. So that's what I'm adding right now. I'll click on approve. So right now guys, this is going to be added as my network, and you can see right now it is currently being added to my metamask as one of the available networks. So right now the next thing is for you to connect your wallet. You go ahead and of course click on connect wallet, and right now the connection will be established. The third thing that you need to do from here is to simply sign in this signature. This is totally safe. You click on confirm, and once you click on confirm, right now you are done signing up on this Sahara AI website, guys. So this is it. You can see when you look over here right now, you can see that your wallet is now connected, but you have nothing right here. So over here you can see we have faucet, and let me zoom it properly. You can see we have faucet, we have user guide, and also we have leaderboard. So what we need to do right now is simply click on faucet. Once you click on faucet, this is going to be popping up it's where you need to actually approve a certain transaction in order for you to receive 0.1 SAR. They call it SAH, that's the sticker. And over here you receive 0.1 SAH token from the testnet faucet. You can also request this next time after 24 hours. So what you need to do from here is simply connect your wallet as well. Remember, you have already connected your Sahara AI to your wallet, and you have also added the Sahara AI testnet. So right now we are going to be interacting on the testnet. So this is totally safe and it doesn't cost you any single thing. So right now you select metamask as you have already selected. So this is going to be popping up a request, a transaction request for you, which you need to approve right now. You click on connect first to connect your wallet first before you can then go ahead and of course sign the transaction. So right now guys, you need to actually click on this. You click on request. You need to solve this captcha real quick like this. You select the image that actually it depends on the direction that they give you right here. So right now you go ahead and of course click on next. You go ahead and of course select it again. This is how you actually verify your captcha. So right now that our captcha is now verified, let's now see what we're going to be doing from here. You can see right here guys, we just claimed token right now from our Sahara AI testnet. So right now let me go ahead and check out my wallet. Let me see what I have right there on my wallet. So this is it. I will check out my metamask browser and it's gonna be popping up right now. Let me see what I have right here. So looking down, you can see I now have 0.1 Sahara right here because that is what I just claimed right now. So once you have claimed your testnet token, you need to go back to the website. You can see this is the main Sahara AI website. So right now, how do you actually earn points from here? Okay guys, so looking over here right now, we are back to the website and I have also changed my view to landscape so that I can be able to, you know, everything on the screen can be able to fit on my own screen properly. Okay, so what you need to do from here is very simple. So what you need to do from here to actually earn points is to simply go ahead and of course click on this picture, okay, this animal picture right here, and the more that you complete the tasks that are available right here, the more that all this one gets to unlock. Okay, so we are now going to be starting with the first one, which is this one right here. I will click on it, and over here guys, you can see we have the daily check-in system and we also have the social media system. So over here guys, we have the daily check-in, we have visit Sahara AI blog. So going over there, you are going to be required to complete some gags quest, and also of course you can also visit the X to actually earn some points. Okay, and also when you come over here, we have the daily referrals. Inviting people actually earns you 20 shares. And lastly, you can see generate at least one transaction on Sahara testnet. This is totally free since you are doing it on the testnet. This is also going to be adding earning you 20 shares. So right now, what are shards? Shards are like the points that you are collecting, later which they are going to be converted to the main Sahara token, which you are going to be collecting or claiming as your own airdrop. For example, right now, let's click the first one, which is visit the Sahara AI blog. When I click on it, this is going to be taking me to the gags where I like to the gags website, where I am actually going to be required to, you know, do some certain stuff right here before I can then proceed properly. So over here guys, on the gags quest, you can see that we have some stuff right here. For example, you need to connect your, you know, account first. You can use either your Twitter or your Discord to actually create a gags quest account. So over here guys, you can, when I scroll down, you can see we have the daily check-in. When I click on it, let me see what I'm going to be having right here. When I click on it like this, so it's going to be loading up right now. You can see you are about to leave. So right now I will click on continue to access. So this is going to be taking me to another place. Okay, so the whole thing is a kind of complicated, but you just need to relax your mind and get to follow it properly so that you can be able to, you know, understand it and be able to position very well. So right now guys, this has actually brought us right here, and obviously you need to actually come over here to join the wait list. Okay, so when you click on the wait list like this, it's going to be loading up real quick, and let's see what we're going to have from here. You are going to be required to actually input your first name, your last name, your email, and you need to answer some few questions, after which you are going to be clicking on submit. Okay, and right now guys, you can see that I have simply joined the wait list right now, and when I scroll down a little bit, I'm going to be seeing back to main page. When I click on it, let's see where this is going to be taking us to. So this is very simple, and of course you need to actually pay close attention to this airdrop because this is actually a very complicated one. Okay, so right now guys, I need to go back to the gags where I were earlier. Let's see what I'm going to be having from there. Okay, so coming over here right now, let's see if we can be able to gain this. So when I click on this refresh button right now, let's see what we are going to have from here. Okay, and right now guys, you can see that I have now completed the daily check-in. So looking down again, you can see we have the daily task right here. So all these are part of your daily check-in. You can see visit the Sahara AI Twitter. I will just go ahead and of course click on it. So this is going to be taking us to the Twitter account of Sahara AI, where we actually need to do some certain stuff. For example, follow their own Twitter account. So right now guys, this is it. Simply we are now going to follow them like this, and right now guys, we need to go back to the gags and of course check if we are now done with it. So right now that we are following them, let's see the next thing that we are going to be getting from here. Okay, so coming over here right now, we need to click on this refresh button and let's see if this is going to be okay. So right now guys, we are now done with daily check-in. So what I need to do from here is to simply click on claim point, and once I click on claim points, the point is going to be added to my own balance. All right, so once that is done, you go back to the Sahara AI website like this, and over here guys, we are now done with the first one. Let me click on this. Let me see if it's going to be okay. And over here guys, you can see it is now done. I will click on claim, and once I click on claim, you can see claim successful, and this is how it is done. So over here, you come to the next one, you go ahead and complete it. That is what you're going to be doing until you are done completing all these quests. So once that one is done, you need to go back again. All right, so you need to go back again. When you click on it, then we have the social media. When I click on the social media right here, you can see you need to actually do some stuff right here to earn a reasonable amount of shard. For example, you need to actually have the legend or the legend rule on Sahara AI Discord. Once you have gotten that rule on Sahara AI Discord, you go ahead and of course click on this to actually get your 10 points. So a lot of tasks are actually involved right here, but you need to just relax and do as many as you can, because this is actually going to be a very good one, and this type of airdrop is likely to change your life since they are being verified by a whole lot of good projects and their investors are top notch. All right, so thank you for watching the video. I believe you understand how you can be able to interact and go around this airdrop and be able to position very well to qualify for the airdrop. Thank you for watching, and of course do have a lovely day. I will be telling you guys more things about this airdrop in the future. Make sure to subscribe and like this video you just watched right now, and I'm going to be talking to you on my next video that will be dropping very soon. Peace out, and of course do have a lovely day.